There's a look at all the box information there. Sorry I started a couple minutes late tonight. I had a couple messages I was trying to resolve on eBay. Then I got in the group and had a post to approve as well, so got me a little hung up there, but we are rolling now. Give it another minute or so, let a couple more people jump in here. Got the one autograph per box. I've opened, I guess, 12 of these so far. We have not pulled a downtown yet. We've gotten autographs in every box except one. We had 250 points in one box. But to make up for it, we did get 2 autographs in one box last night, which is kind of weird. They got some nice various inserts. You do have the chance for the downtown cards in here. I don't believe the fat packs or hanger boxes allow for the downtowns, so they don't say it on the box or on the packs of those, but anyways. And then every pack will have one of those Optic Rated Rookie Preview pink parallels. At least that's what we've seen so far. So anyways, if you guys can hear and see me okay, somebody just give me a thumbs up or all good in the comments, and we'll go ahead and get started. This break usually takes about 40 minutes, unless we just pull something crazy and stare at it for 5 or 10 minutes. Thanks, Jimmy. We'll go ahead and get it rolling. Well, I'll have to reach down a little farther for my knife on the next box. It should be 7 packs, I believe. There'll be 8 cards per pack. If we get lucky, we can find one of those downtowns, and we get a numbered insert if we're double lucky tonight. Anyways, I'll try to go through the base kind of quickly. There's a lot of backwards, upside down cards in here. It makes it kind of annoying, but try to get to the meat of the break for you guys pretty quick. C.J. Ham, Leonard Fournette, J.J. Watt. Got MVS for the Packers. Zeke Elliott. Bronze. Got a Tua, the Donruss 91 insert. It's upside down. Sorry about that. Javonte Williams, pink Optic Rated Rookie. Not bad for the Broncos. And Amir Smith-Marset, receiver for the Vikings, is our base rated rookie there. Got Jonathan Abram, Calvin Ridley, Austin Eckler. There's a Tom Brady, might be the no helmet card. Yep. Got a Lawrence Taylor bronze. Retro series Tom Brady for the Patriots. That may be one of the few Patriots Tom Brady cards in here. Maybe the only one. Rashawn Slater is going to be our pink Optic Rated rookie. We got a Javon Holland base rookie for the Dolphins. Okay. Yeah, I'll set the K reporters aside. DK Metcalf. Curtis Samuel. Gotta be careful because if we do get points, I'm flipping through these cards kind of quick. Brett Favre. Randy Moss. If this is a picture I'm thinking of, he looks really young. Uh-oh, we got an auto coming up. Let's just go ahead and see what this auto is. Looks like it might be Vikings as well. Ooh, Chuck Foreman. That is definitely before my time. Yeah, there's the young Randy Moss. Chuck Foreman's our first auto. This has been kind of what the trend has been here lately. Get 2 or 3 boxes with a retired autograph, and might get lucky and get a rookie one or two. Got the rookies insert of a Monroe St. Brown. And we have a pink optic rated rookie of Cornell Powell for the Chiefs. And our base rookie for the Bills is Boogie Basham Jr., defensive end. Go ahead and sleeve some of these cards up here. I couldn't believe it last night. We pulled 2 autos out of one box. One was a redemption, so that may have been why somehow they accidentally put another one in there if it went unnoticed or something. We had a redemption Kellen Mond and a bronze Rondell Moore, I believe it was. So actually not terrible autos. Could have been much worse. We've been seeing some duplicates across my breaks and other breaks. Some of the autos, they put in quite a few boxes, so it wouldn't surprise me if we actually saw one that we've already gotten tonight. I believe there's 100 optic or 100 rated rookies in the set, so if we're opening 28 pinks, you got basically a 1 in 4 chance of hitting the guy you want, I guess. Jarvis Landry, Jalen Reagor, Peyton Manning, Taylor Heinicke, got Tyreek Hill, Christian McCaffrey, 91 insert, and a Joe Tryon pink for the Buccaneers. And we got KT for the Giants, Kadarius Toney. So our rated rookie there. Raquan Smith, Deshaun Watson. Got Lamar Jackson backwards. Minkah Fitzpatrick. Got another Fitzpatrick. This is Dez Rookie Revolution insert for the Titans. Got Tutu Atwell, Elite Series rookies. And our optic is Trey McKitty, tight end for the Chargers. And we got Kylen Granson, tight end for the Colts. First box has been pretty weak so far. Pretty weak. Lawrence Taylor, Cole Beasley, Mike Vrabel, Devontae Adams. I think he's got a mask variation. Definitely. TJ Watt. I didn't know this guy had a portrait. A receiver for the Cowboys, Simi Fehoko. Little portrait card there. Hey, there's a nice one. Jamar Chase, pink optic rated rookie. And Yami Brown, rated rookie for the Washington football team. A little better there with a portrait insert and a Jamar Chase. See if we can finish this box with a big QB pink. Stephon Gilmore, Adrian Peterson, Michael Thomas. Got Odell Beckham Jr. Got a bronze. Leonard Floyd. Brandon Ayuk highlights insert. Not a fan of these for some reason. They're just kind of busy with all the words and stuff. Hey, there's a quarterback. Got Sam Ehlinger, pink optic rated rookie for the Colts. He might get a shot one day. I know he was practicing on the first team a little bit in the preseason. Got Alex Leatherwood as our rated rookie for the Raiders there. Not a crazy first box, but got Jamar Chase in there, Sam Ehlinger. I don't think Javonte Williams is too bad either. Old Geno Smith got in the game tonight. Looked like he threw about 15 passes or so. Couldn't quite pull it out though. Seahawks don't usually lose at home on Thursday nights. Kind of surprised me. The Rams are pretty good this year. Probably a top 10 team for sure. I don't know so far. As far as Donruss, I haven't opened a whole lot. This is, I guess, my 13th mega box. I think we pulled most of the quarterbacks pink optic rated rookies already, which will probably be some of the more valuable cards. I haven't just pulled a great autograph yet. I don't know how frequently they pop out, but there I go. Gotta get that knife. I don't know. I don't think I pulled just a crazy card yet. Well, they missed the whatchamacallit there. I thought the Red Hot rookies are going to be somewhat of a short print, but they're definitely not. I pulled quite a few of those, so they're not short print like I thought they were, but yeah, I could see that. Jeremy, Kenyon Drake, Tyler Lockett, Jonathan Taylor, Ryan Kerrigan. Hey, there's a nice bronze rated rookie. Already starting out a little better on this box. Devonta Smith. We didn't even get a bronze in the last box, so that's nice. Got Dominators Rob Gronkowski and a Jalen Phillips pink rated rookie. And then Khalil Herbert for the Bears. Jared Goff, James Winston, Kyler Murray, I think this might be an auto. I think the greens were autos. I think the pinks or purples are portraits. Let's go for it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's a nice one. That may be the best card so far, honestly. A quarterback auto. Sweet. Very nice. Davis Mills for the Texans. Bronze autograph there. We'll take. Definitely better than the first autograph we got. I don't think too many people are chasing the... I don't even remember the guy's name. Sorry. No offense, guy, but I don't think many people are after your autograph. Very nice. He's got kind of a crappy auto. Yeah, that's what I was going to say, Jimmy. That's he must have had a lot of stickers that day because that's a pretty crappy one. Oh, we got a couple cards left here. Retro Series, Paul Krause. Upside down, rated rookie of Javian Hawkins for the Falcons. And Dwayne Eskridge. You know, it's funny. He spells his name like I would expect. But Dwayne Wade's name is spelled with the Y in front, I think. So it's like D-W-Y-A-N-E. So, I don't know. It's kind of weird. You can find some sneaky Dwayne Wade cards on eBay if you search his name the wrong way. Tim Patrick, Brandon Ayuk. Got a T. Higgins. Christian McCaffrey. Terry Bradshaw. There's another one of those. Man, we pull Trevor like every time. He may be the only one that's got a red hot rookie. Another Trevor Lawrence. This is the third or fourth one that I've pulled. And I've only pulled like one or two other ones total. So, oh, that's nice. Back to back. Sweet. Got a Zach Wilson, pink optic rated rookie right behind it. Another Jets rookie, Elijah Vera Tucker. That's a nice pack. This box already haven't even got the halfway points better than the last box. That's what's so frustrating is which, I mean, it wouldn't be no fun if you just had mediocre boxes over and over, but you get some really sorry boxes in Donruss so far. You have some boxes that are actually, you know, pretty fun and decent. Like I said, you wouldn't want everything to just be a perfect leveling of rookies and whatnot. It wouldn't make it any fun. I forgot we had Devonta Smith bronze too in here. I'm taking a couple of days off. Tomorrow won't be any breaks, and Saturday won't be any breaks. I think I'll be back on Sunday, but got some friends coming in. We're going to spend some time with them. Keep saying this. I know Optic Football just came out, so maybe I'll try to buy some of that over the weekend. Got Nick Chubb, Charles Woodson, Dan Marino, Aaron Rodgers. I'll get another rookie revolution. Aaron Rodgers with the mask. Terrace Marshall Jr. for the Panthers. And Elite Series Rob Gronkowski's. A couple Rob Gronkowski decent cards. Kelvin Joseph, pink optic rated rookie. And Jacob Harris for the Rams. Khalil Mack, Jeremy Chin, Robert Woods. Got Ben Roethlisberger. Justin Herbert. Upside down there. I got an Ian Book rookie, it looks like. Gridiron Kings rookies. Xavier Collins. Oh, that's a bad one. It's got a nasty ding on it there for the Cardinals. You got a Tyson Campbell base rated rookie for the Jaguars. Jalen Mills. Fue Alokun. Jeez, I butchered that one. Aaron Jones. The Packers have like 40 Aarons on their team. George Kittle. Got a bronze Henry Ruggs. Justin Herbert. Nice 91 insert there. Amir Smith-Marset, pink rated rookie for the Vikings. And Landon Dickerson, rated rookie for the Eagles. I'll go ahead and sleeve some cards. Got a nice little stack going here. Ready to roll. We did a Fat Pack break last night. Obviously the Megas are probably going to yield the best chance for something crazy. You can get autos out of the Fat Packs. And we got a red optic rated rookie last night. I do like the way the reds look. I prefer like the reds and the blues over the pinks probably. But as far as like just overall fun and just randomness, I think the mega boxes are probably going to be where it's at. Like they've always been with Donruss. I do think it's kind of weird they went away from the memorabilia cards. I do remember last year or the year before, I think it was actually 2019 was the last time I broke Donruss. They had one autograph, one mem card, so I guess they went away from that for whatever reason. Like I said, they may have done that already last year, but I guess I skipped out. I don't remember doing any 2020 Donruss. I was talking about in the last break, though, basketball prices were always high for like rookies and box breaks and boxes. Like they kind of started the whole thing probably, I don't know, 2018, maybe even before that. But got Marcus Peters, Daniel Hunter, Derwin James Jr., DeMarcus Lawrence, Malcolm Jenkins bronze, Antonio Brown, the champ, is here. The flip this upside down. Javon Holland, pink rated rookie for the Dolphins. Yeah, Jalen Waddle also for the Dolphins. Not bad. But yeah, I felt like basketball was kind of ahead of everything else with pricing and everything taking off. Probably like it was even before COVID was going on. Basketball prices were through the roof. For whatever reason, football just kind of stayed fairly low, had a gradual increase. But I remember like early 2020, I think it was 2020, it might have been even 20. Yeah, it was early 2020 because we'd already moved towns. But I bought two, I think, Prism 2019 football hobby boxes. It was like $325 shipped. I got two of them. I think those things are like $1,000 now. It's crazy because like you can't even get like 3 Donruss mega boxes for that price now. And like Prism will start out at like probably $1,500 when it releases this year. Just wild stuff. A Russell Wilson, Joe Mixon, Myles Gaskin. Move this stack over there. Oh man, we got our auto in the first pack. Looks like it might be a rookie though. It is. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Well, whoever got the Texans, let's see if this auto is any better. Oh, he gave it a little more effort. It's like deja vu in here. We got Davis Mills auto once again. Jeez Louise. Thought they only did this with veteran players, but it's like Davis Mills is going to be in some mega box quite frequently for the autograph there. Got Alvin Kamara, Donruss 91, and Pete Werner, pink rated rookie. And then Michael Carter, rated rookie for the Jets. I mean, I guess I can't be disappointed. That's a rookie quarterback auto. But it's just kind of weird back-to-back boxes like that. I don't even know who got the Texans, if they're awake watching the video or what. It's always weird with eBay. I mean, I love eBay because, you know, we can do the auctions, everybody pays and jumps in, but a lot of people, their name's different than eBay. Like, it might be their spouse's name on eBay and they join Facebook with their own profile or vice versa. So that's why I never really announce the team names and stuff because it always just doesn't make any sense. Melvin Gordon, DJ Moore, Cam Akers, got Miles Jack. But congratulations, Texans. That's pretty sweet. Alvin Kamara. DeAndre Swift Elite Series insert. Got Trey Sermon, pink optic rated rookie. And Ben Skowronek, rated rookie for the Rams. I don't know. If I had to guess, I would say it's less than 100 per auto. I could be wrong, though. I would think those autos are, I don't know, probably around the $50 range. Somebody would probably be able to look it up pretty quick, but Joe Montana, John Elway. At least that's what I would value him at. Now, card prices are crazy right now, so as always. DJ Chark, Josh Jacobs, another rookie revolution. A little bit nicer one here. Najee Harris this time. Now, these can be numbered. I haven't seen a parallel yet, but I'll be watching out for that. Tyler Johnson, the champ, is here. Do we have another Dolphins pink? Another Jalen Phillips. Hopefully we didn't get a duplicate box here. Anthony Schwartz, rated rookie for the Browns. $30. That's probably about right. Saquon Barkley, Josh Allen, got Hayden Hurst, Keenan Allen, Darnell Savage, all-time Gridiron Kings, Barry Sanders, another Javian Hawkins rated rookie. We might have got a duplicate mega box here because I remember this one too. Maybe we can get some different inserts and possibly some different pinks. There's a Caleb Farley rated rookie for the Titans though. What do you do if you get 2 autos of the same guy in a break for your team? Do you keep them both or sell one and keep one? Or J.J. Watt, Calvin Ridley? Guess it depends on what your goal was when you bought the team. Jonathan Taylor, L'Jarius Sneed. There's a 2 of bronze. Well, the Dolphins getting a lot of cards tonight. Got Kenny Nwangu, the rookies insert. Oh my gosh, I forgot this was in the last box too. That ain't a bad box to duplicate, I guess. Got Zach Wilson, pink optic rated rookie. And Jamar Jefferson. Had a little fuzzy on it there for the Lions. Well, so if you had the Jets, I think we had a Trevor Lawrence insert in the last one too, but I haven't seen that yet. If you had the Jets or the Texans, it's a good thing we got 2 of the same boxes, I guess. It has a little fuzzy in it. Stack's getting a little big. Do we have a Jamar Chase in the first one or the... I think Jamar Chase was in the first box. So you say that'd be another decent one to get there. I think he was in the first box. I thought we had one other decent rookie in the last box that wouldn't be bad one to duplicate, but I can't remember who it was. Yeah, the train usually comes through once or twice a night. Alright, 2 packs left out of this box. Then we'll get to our last one. No downtown yet either. I forgot we were looking for one of those. Pretty heavy. Cam Newton. Antoine Winfield Jr., Aaron Donald, Travis Kelce, Barry Sanders, got a Donruss 91 insert of Travis Kelce and a Kelvin Joseph pink optic rated rookie. And we do have a Mac Jones Donruss rated rookie. So it looks like the Donruss rated rookies are different. Maybe all the pinks were the same or almost all the same. I can't remember if Trey Sermon was in the last box. That might have been a different one that we started with. Nice Mac Jones though. Mac Jones. Alright, last pack. Then hopefully we get on to something fresh. Dalvin Cook, Andre Diggs, Austin Eckler. Curtis Samuel. Oh, here's a bronze rated rookie. Joseph Asai for the Bengals. I was hoping it'd be a big one. Man, another Rob Gronkowski insert. Whoever got the Buccaneers, you got a whole lot of fanciness. Rob Gronkowski. Another Xavier Collins pink optic rated rookie. So Gary Brightwell, Donruss rated rookie. Base card there. A lot of duplication out of that box. A few good ones though. Like I don't mind having another Zach Wilson and a Davis Mills auto. Because who do we get? Like 2 or 3 randos last night. And 1 rated rookie last night aside from the redemptions. So I'll take 2 of the same rated rookie quarterback, I guess, over some of the retired guys. Really want to see a downtown in this last box though. Alrighty, let's get after it. Oliver Vernon, DeAndre Hopkins, Molly Cox, Brett Favre. Dang, I didn't expect their auto to be in the first pack. That's my fault. Anthony McFarland Jr. for the Steelers. He's a rookie last year. Another lazy signature. Man, last few breaks has been like the 3rd or 4th pack, but got a Ray Lewis Legend Series. We got a Mac Jones rated rookie. I think we had a Tom Brady Retro Series maybe too. Tyson Campbell pink optic rated rookie for the Jaguars. Monroe St. Brown rated rookie for the Lions. Man. Not expecting that in the first pack. Fletcher Cox. Got Logan Thomas. Let's go ahead and find a downtown, I guess, while we're here. Zach Cunningham. Randy Moss. Tyreek Hill. Hey, you got a different Red Hot rookies this time. Kyle Pitts in the house. You got Landon Dickerson, pink optic rated rookie. And Greg Newsome. Kareem Hunt. Miles Sanders. You got Lamar. Minka Fitzpatrick. Another rookie revolution. We haven't been getting this many of these inserts. Looks like it's Dez Fitzpatrick again, though. Another highlights, Brandon Ayuk. We do have Jalen Waddle. Man, the Dolphins just loading up. Jalen Waddle, pink optic rated rookie. That's a nice one. And Seth Williams, rated rookie for the Broncos. Yeah, that would be sick. Would be cool. We need a nice Trevor, Trey Lance, Mac Jones. We got a couple nice Zach Wilson. Haven't really seen any Justin Fields yet. I haven't pulled a lot of Justin Fields, period. He's been kind of tough to snag out of here. I don't know if I've seen a pink yet of him. this card it's cool and all, but the design was pretty lame. It just looks like two straight lines on the sides for the flames. I guess they did that to square up the picture of the person, not make it look all weird, but I've never seen flames that are like straight up like that. That'd be something I would draw. I think my son could probably draw a little bit better than that too. But I get it if you're trying to like get all the verbiage in nice and square or something. So we got two Davis Mills autos. I forget who the first guy was. He was probably like 70s or 80s. That's when that guy looked like he played. And then we got an Anthony McFarland Jr. second year auto for the Steelers. I don't know what the Texans paid tonight, but I think they probably did all right. We decided the Davis Mills is like a $30 card or so. Andy Dalton, Darius Slayton. Got Derrick Henry. TJ Hawkinson, Devontae Adams. We got a portrait, Amon-Ra St. Brown for the Lions. A Daz Newsome, pink Raider rookie for the Bears. And Kyle Trask was another one we haven't seen yet. Finally got one of him for the Buccaneers. I'm interested to see as the sets go on, like when we get to Prism, for example, and then when Optic finally rolls around, if some of these quarterbacks are left out of the checklist. I don't know how they decide that, but I feel like eventually some guys get left out of some sets, whether they think they're going to be successful in the league or how they decide that, I don't know. Need a Justin Fields, need a better Trevor Lawrence. Need at least one Trey Lance too, jeez. Emmanuel Agba, Trey Hendrickson, got TJ Watt, Odell Beckham Jr., bronze Logan Thomas, the Washington football team. It's like Aaron Rodgers, Dominators. I like the look of those cards. Got a Josh Palmer, pink optic rated rookie for the Chargers. And Shi Smith for the Panthers. Also not sure how they decide what rookies are photographed in their pro uniforms on these cards and who doesn't get a pro uniform. It's kind of random. Devin Singletary, Jacoby Myers. I think he played pretty well the other night. I remember seeing him on the stat line pretty heavy. Keelan Cole, John Elway, Deontay Johnson, bronze. Got a Tua, Donruss 91 insert. Jeez Louise. How many Dolphins pink optic gray rookies have we gotten tonight? I have to count them later. We got a Hunter Long for the Dolphins. Got another Davis Mills rookie as well. Got two Davis Mills autos and a base rated rookie. Texans living the high life. We got one measly old pack left back there. Yeah, it was two guys. They sat down. They said, "How many Texans and Dolphins cards can we fit in 4 Donruss mega boxes without it looking suspicious?" And they got to the 4th box. They said, "Screw it. We're just gonna make it look suspicious." And so here we are. All right, we got one pack left. Come on now. J.K. Dobbins. Stephon Diggs. Another Tua. Sam Darnold. Got John Elway bronze. George Kittle Elite Series. Oh, we got yellow. Could be Freiermuth or Najee. Yes, nice Najee Harris pink optic rated rookie. And Patrick Surtain. That's not a bad one for the Broncos. Nice couple cards to end it on there. Alright, well, this was the Dolphins and Davis Mills party, I guess, tonight. We got a little Zach Wilson there, too, with those 2 optic rated rookies. I guess there was a lot of guys that had 2 from those 2 middle boxes. But anyways, we'll do a little recap, and I'll let you guys go. There's a few teams that got overloaded. Rashawn Slater, pink. Got Retro Series Tom Brady. Javonte Williams, pink. Sam Mellinger, pink. Jamar Chase, pink. Got a portrait of Simi Falco for the Cowboys. Trey McKitty, pink. Here's another card there. Tutu Atwell, Elite Series rookies. Rookie Revolution, Dez Fitzpatrick. Joe Tryon, pink. That Davis Mills first auto there. Zach Wilson, pink. Red Hot Rookies, Trevor Lawrence. Javian Hawkins, pink. Jalen Phillips, pink. Dominators, Rob Gronkowski. Devonta Smith, bronze rated rookie. Amir Smith-Marset, pink. Justin Herbert, Donruss 91 insert. Got Zayvon Collins, pink. Had a little damage there. I think we got another one though, so maybe it'll look clean. Gridiron Kings, rookies. Ian Book. Kelvin Joseph, pink. Rob Gronkowski, Elite Series. Rookie Revolution, Terrace Marshall Jr. Jalen Waddle, rated rookie. Javon Holland, pink. Pete Werner, pink. The other Davis Mills auto with a little bit more effort on the sticker auto there. We got a second Zach Wilson, pink. That was, I think, a good portion of our 2 duplicate boxes there. And then we got a Cornell Powell, pink. Monroe St. Brown, the rookies insert. Chuck Foreman was that first auto we got for the Vikings. Kenny Nwangu, the rookies. Got a Tua bronze. Javian Hawkins, pink. Jalen Phillips, pink. Rookie Revolution, Najee Harris. Trey Sermon, pink. DeAndre Swift, Elite Series. Got a Mac Jones, rated rookie. Zayvon Collins, pink. Rob Gronkowski, Power Formulas insert. Joseph Asai, bronze, rated rookie. Kelvin Joseph, pink. Jalen Waddle, pink. Dez Fitzpatrick, Rookie Revolution. Got Landon Dickerson, pink. Another Red Hot Rookies. This was Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. Tyson Campbell, pink. Anthony McFarland Jr., sticker auto for the Steelers. Got a Kyle Trask, rookie. Daz Newsome, pink. A portrait of a Monroe St. Brown. Davis Mills, base rookie there. Hunter Long, pink. Josh Palmer, pink. Dominators, Aaron Rodgers. Patrick Surtain, base rookie. And a Najee Harris, pink for the Steelers. That was very weighted for a few teams and very sorry for some other teams. So I apologize for that, but I guess that's just the way it goes sometimes. So if you got a couple of those teams that hit pretty heavy, congratulations. Hopefully some of the other guys, the luck will change soon. Like I said, no breaks tomorrow, no breaks on Saturday. Probably break again on Sunday. You guys have a nice Friday. Thanks for jumping in, Jimmy. If y'all need anything, just shoot me next week. And you guys have a nice weekend. We'll see you.